Are you making this #1 mistake when it comes to actually implementing AI inside of your business? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly step by step what I'm doing to go from 6 to 7 figures in my clients' businesses by implementing what I call an AI-powered business. Now, if you stick until the end, I'm actually going to walk you through the exact AI strategies and tools that you can personally use to 2 to 3x your business in 2025. So here's the big problem that I actually invite you to think about, which is oftentimes the biggest belief that people need to make is they need to replace people with AI. Instead, how do you actually augment with AI as opposed to actually replacing with it? I'll give you an example. So one of the biggest things that I'm actually doing right now inside of my clients' businesses is teaching them how to install what I call an AI sales rep. Now, think about what an actual sales rep does. Books more calls, gets more leads, and most importantly, warms up the prospect to get them ready for an actual sales conversation. 80% of these actual tasks are actually very repetitive, admin focused, and almost the same conversation and same task over and over and over again. And oftentimes, as a business owner, you'll spend anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 a year just for an entry-level sales rep. So here's what I actually decided to start doing in 2024, which is how do I get an AI sales agent to take about 80% off the work off my sales rep? Now, here's the change. I'm not trying to completely replace them, but I'm trying to get them as focused on income-producing activities as much as possible. Because instead of trying to save money on, hey, how do I replace this AI sales rep? How do I just get them to spend that additional time to double, triple, even sometimes 5x the amount of time they're doing on these income-producing activities? Now, if you actually shift your mindset from augmentation instead of replacing them, it allows you to get them to double down on what's already working. Alex Hormozi actually talks about this. There's 3 different things that we can do. We can do more, we can do better, or we can do something new. Oftentimes, people try to do something new with AI. Change that from doing something new to actually just doing more and doing better of what you're currently already doing. Now, if you make this shift, now AI is actually a realistic way for you to actually scale, as opposed to installing all these complicated tech, different ways of learning this stuff. Do something that you're already doing, but better with AI. Now, at the end of the day, what we need to focus on is figure out a way that we can actually do this in other parts of our business. So it's not just AI sales agents that we can do this for, but how do we do this in content? How do we do this with admin? How do we do this just even with our current system, but create more automation? Now, these are the things that we should be thinking of when we're actually doing AI, is how can we do those things better, AKA augmentation. Now, at the end of the day, whether you decide to use AI or not in your business for 2025, what we want to focus on is how do we just make things more streamlined, quicker, and more efficient? That is a secret when it comes to becoming an AI-powered business. Now, if you want to learn more about how to actually use these tools, these strategies realistically inside of your business right now, I actually have a free school community with over 950 people inside there right now. I give all the secrets, the tools, the strategies for free inside of there. So if you want more of that content, you want more of those tools, feel free to join that school community below, and I'll see you in the next video.